What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the video. Hope you guys are all having a great day. I'm here. I've got my EVO behind me and it's finally time to do some part swapping. So I have ordered brakes and I have got brand new tires. I've actually never had brand new tires in my entire life of owning race cars. So I ended up going with Firestone Firehawk Indy 500s. Paid about 500 bucks. These are 255/35 by 18. So that's what I have on here currently, but these are some crappy, just all season tires, and I really wanted something grippy for the track. Now, as you guys can probably see, these ones are stretched just a little bit. So these ones are probably gonna stretch a little bit too, but it's no big deal. I shouldn't have any rubbing issues. I'm also going to go ahead and get the car balanced, aligned, and I'm gonna get a track focused alignment. That way it handles a little bit better. I'm gonna go ahead, put the new brakes on, which I'm super excited about because I'll try and show you guys the best I can when I'm braking with the car. It definitely shakes a little bit. So here are the brakes. I went with Stop Tech rotors. These are slotted, they're not drilled, they're just slotted. So I'm gonna be replacing those because these ones are definitely warped a little bit, but these are drilled and slotted. So the performance of the new ones might not be as good, but I'm also not sure what brand these are. So new brakes, new tires, and new alignment. So I'm actually super excited to go ahead and throw these on. So stay tuned, keep watching. I hope you guys are as excited as I am to put the new parts on the EVO. Ooh, the smell of fresh rubber is so nice. I've got one tire in my passenger seat, two in the back, and then two in the trunk because the trunk space on the EVO is really small. But yeah, I love the new smell of fresh tires. I've never had them before, so this is kind of exciting. You guys probably saw I ended up picking up some oil too. My buddy recommended I go with Rotella 5W40, so that's what I'm doing. He's got an extra few quarts of it, so I just got the gallon. We're gonna go ahead and change the oil because I haven't done that yet and I've owned it almost a month. We're actually gonna go ahead and see if there's any flakes of metal in the oil, because if there is, that means the bearings are going and we're most likely gonna have to rebuild the bottom end. But I'm over at my buddy's house. He's got an EVO 9 MR, which I haven't showed you guys yet, which I will show you here in just a sec. He's done the full top end, basically rebuilt the motor. Now we both have basically the same setup. So his EVO is so sick. So I can't wait for you guys to see it. He's also gonna go out to the track day with us tomorrow. So after you watch this video, make sure you stay tuned for the next video because we're bringing this back out to the track to see how the new tires do. So I hope you guys are excited for that. So you guys haven't seen Austin's EVO 9 yet, and this is his. Absolutely gorgeous EVO 9 MR. Super jealous. He actually picked this thing up pretty cheap. He sunk a lot of money into it, but it's basically entirely refreshed and absolutely gorgeous. So this is my buddy's Snap-on box. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is... You guys ready for this? It's so organized too, man.
Yeah.
Oh. They slide really nicely too. Dang. Dude, now that's goals if you're a mechanic. That thing is sick.
Oh. A couple of empty drawers.
What a sweet setup, dude. Dang. You got the setup, my dude.
Yeah, a few things. A lot of pliers.
Nice.
Miscellaneous. Some pullers and hammers.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Did it come with that too?
Electric stuff? I bought that separate.
Oh, did you? That's what you had before this, right?
Fuel pressure gauge set. And then all my electric stuff. Paperwork. Other miscellaneous. Torque wrenches.
That's a lot of tools, man.
Yeah. Electric. Just 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch pounds, 3/8 needle.
Dude, that's awesome.
Oh, right there.
This is sweet. Dude, look at the wheels on this thing too. That's so, it's so extra, but so sweet.
Warning packs. Pullers and bore scope.
Nice.
Oh, that's that thing, the coolant sucker.
Oh.
And that's compression.
All right, so I haven't showed you the tires yet. Like I said, they're the Firestone Firehawk Indy 500s, 255/35 by 18. So they should be much stickier than what I have on the car currently, because these are some cheap Walmart Ironman tires that are awful. If you guys have an EVO, don't put Ironman tires on it. So I'm super excited. I've never had a new set of tires in my life, so I'm actually really excited to put these on and see how they do tomorrow at the track. Now you guys are gonna love this. So Austin just put the coil on plug. Look at that carbon fiber. And then he also painted this. It's like a candy apple purplish color, and it looks insane, especially when you get some sunlight on it. It's just beautiful. So I haven't changed the oil since we got the car, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Make sure it's fresh oil. Yeah, that's pretty nasty looking. Not terrible,
Not
but
terrible. Not black.
yeah, not all the way black, but probably
a little
probably
brown.
due for an oil change. So we let all the air out of the tires. Now we're gonna go ahead and take them off, strip these old stupid Ironman tires off, and put the new ones on.
Round two.
Successful. Hopefully the other ones don't fight you as hard.
Yeah, I'll figure out a system.
Stupid Ironman tires with the stiff sidewalls. He had to fight that one a little bit, but it's off. Now we just got to do that 3 more times. And then, like he said, getting the tires on will be much easier than getting them off. But this color though, looks so good. Ooh, look at the meat. So yeah, if you guys are wondering, probably one of the best bang for your buck tires that are out there. I paid just about 500 bucks. It was like $550, and then there's a $60 mail-in rebate. So 500 bucks for 255s, not bad at all. Peel this off now. So satisfying. We're gonna melt that residue off real quick, huh? All right, guys, 1 tire done. Now 3 more to go. All right, let's go. All of them are mounted, balanced, and ready to go back in the car. I am so excited to test these tomorrow at the track, so hope you guys are excited too. Austin's actually bringing out his EVO 9 tomorrow as well. So, and we both basically have probably very similar power levels, so I'm super excited to see who's faster out there. Austin hasn't been to the track in a few years. I've only ran this one time and I haven't been on sticky tires yet, so we're gonna have to see who's faster. Who do you guys think? EVO 8 or do you think the EVO 9 is gonna be faster? He's on coilovers, fully 85. I'm on stock suspension, fully 85, but I will have some grippy tires. So here are the new brakes. I only did the front left and the front right, and these are Stop Tech slotted rotors. I didn't get the drilled in slotted because, you know, I'm balling on a budget. Pads are still good, so we're gonna reuse the pads that are on here, change out the rotors, and I do have spacers on here, which I didn't realize. They had them backwards, so they weren't really flush. So flip those, and there's spacers on here. I'm sure a few of you EVO guys have these issues, but I think these are here to clear the big old brakes. Put these on and it won't have any shaking. Out with the old and in with the new. Super excited. These are super warped, so it's gonna be a huge difference. Ooh. So they're not drilled and slotted like these, but they're just slotted. And Austin was saying that's all I really need, and I probably won't notice a difference. And like I said, it shaked when I was braking, so it's gonna feel better no matter what. This one's done. And so is this one. We're back in business, baby. All right, tires are on. Look at these. Look at how aggressive those look. And I wasn't sure, I didn't tell you guys the tread wear because I wasn't sure, but if you can see right here, if it focuses, there are 340 tread. It does vary from brand to brand. So these, if you look them up, have almost a 5-star rating for traction in the dry and the wet, tread wear and all that good stuff. So they should be a huge improvement over those crappy tires. But if anybody wants these, they're for sale. Look at the stance now. Look at how much more aggressive these tires look than the ones before. I'll overlay a clip of the other tires, but just look at these. Look at how much meat these have. Way thicker sidewalls. Oh, these are about to be so grippy. Brand new tires. Let's go, dude. We are changing the oil. I don't know if I showed them, but Rotella 5W40 going in. Guys, I'm so excited. Look at it. Ooh, it looks so good. Oh, I'm so excited to test these. Let's go. So stoked. She looks so good. All right, boys, it's finally time to get in alignment.
This guy.
Okay.
So twist that and then it pushes the arm out or in.
Oh, that makes sense.
So that'll adjust camber more, and then they'll both kind of adjust toe, but this one's more camber and that one's more toe.
Well, after a long night, we finally finished letting her warm up, and then we're gonna go and take her on a test drive and see how she does. I'm so excited to have the new tires, new brakes, and in about 6 hours from now, it's almost midnight, we're gonna get up and we're gonna go race cars. So I'm super excited. Fresh oil, fresh brakes, and fresh tires. So let's see how she drives. I just made it back home. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. Took us a long time to get everything done, but the car's running great. It's driving great. It still shakes just a little bit at highway speeds, which I'm assuming that's because one of the wheels must be bent because they are now balanced. The car's aligned, so one of the wheels must be bent, which is kind of a bummer, but not a big deal, especially for tomorrow on the track day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave it a like. Subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future. I'm gonna go catch a few hours of sleep. We're gonna go to the track tomorrow. It's 1 o'clock. I'm getting up at 6:30 and I gotta charge all my stuff. So if you guys like this video, I'm trying to be consistent. I wanna post a bunch of content for you guys. So if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel and I will catch you guys next time.